Hey there, the team over at SKPRO has sent over a pair of their steel-toed boots for me to share with you guys. I spent a little bit of time walking around in them, doing some yard work, so let's take a closer look at them. Here's an up-close look at the boot itself. Nice thick sole, plenty of eyelets, and then your hook eyelets up here. We get a tab pack here for helping to pull on the boot. Some nice padding around the top. If we look here on the inside, you can see there's almost this mesh style design for some airflow. And then down the bottom, you can't really see, but it does have some cushion to the sole from what I can tell. Here's a look at the bottom of the tread. Has a nice deep tread to it. And this is gonna be oil resistant as well as skid resistant. So these are steel-toed, of course, and they meet the minimum standard guidelines for impact, compression, puncture, and electrical shock. So again, did some yard work in them, blew off the driveway, got all that pine straw up, and walked through the yard some with them to get a good feel for them. I felt that they were actually pretty comfortable. The cushion on the bottom was good. I felt it all the way across my foot, so I didn't feel that I was hitting that hard compacted ground every time I stepped down. They have a really nice weight to them. I didn't feel that they're super heavy carrying them around. I like that tread on the bottom and that anti-skid effect to it, so hopefully that will help with anything that goes along there. Guys, if you are looking for a new pair of steel-toe boots, then I hope this video helps you decide on if these are a good product for you.